Good evening to all of you. Hope you all are doing fine. Excited to announce Skill Battle 2021, an online competition for all third and final year electrical and mechanical engineering and diploma students and 2021 or 2020 engineers, fresh engineers. इस वीडियो के थ्रू मैं आपको स्किल बैटल के बारे में कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन देना चाहता हूं। सबसे पहले व्हाई डू यू नीड टू पार्टिसिपेट इन स्किल बैटल? स्किल बैटल इज फर्स्ट ऑफ इट्स काइंड इनिशिएटिव बाय स्किल एज इन एसोसिएशन विद FTPO, फेडरेशन ऑफ ट्रेनिंग एंड प्लेसमेंट ऑफिसर्स। ये एक ऐसा इवेंट है, वर्चुअल इवेंट, ऑनलाइन इवेंट, जहां पे आप अपने लर्निंग फंडामेंटल्स, मैकेनिकल एंड इलेक्ट्रिकल, इंडस्ट्री ड्रिवन एंड स्किल्स को टेस्ट कर सकते हैं। और इसी वजह से सारे स्टूडेंट्स को इस इवेंट में पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहिए। और इतना ही नहीं, इफ यू आर सक्सेसफुल इन दिस इवेंट देन यू गेट अ चांस टू इंटरव्यू विद सम ऑफ द वेल नोन कंपनीज इन पुणे एज वेल एज इन नागपुर। दूसरा पॉइंट है, ये इवेंट कब है? This event is from 12th to 14th of March 2021. Then the question is, how do you participate in this event? The first step is you need to register for this event in the link given below. Once you register for the event, 12th से 14th March के कुछ दिन पहले आपको आपका एग्जाम शेड्यूल दे दिया जाएगा। इस एग्जाम में 3 लेवल्स हैं। लेवल 1 जहां पे आपको बेसिक फंडामेंटल क्वेश्चंस MCQ के फॉर्म में पूछे जाएंगे। लेवल 1 क्रॉस होते ही लेवल 2 जहां पे इंडस्ट्री ड्रिवन, अलग अलग मैन्युफैक्चरिंग और मैकेनिकल और इलेक्ट्रिकल इंडस्ट्री से रिलेटेड अगेन MCQ क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे, बट दे आर एप्लीकेशन ओरिएंटेड। एंड लेवल 3 जहां पे रियल टाइम इंडस्ट्री प्रॉब्लम्स दिए जाएंगे जिसका आपको जवाब देना है। फाइनली आई मस्ट से, those who will clear level 3, they will go through 2-week intensive interview preparation by Skill Edge, and all this free of cost. I am very thankful to the companies. More than 25 plus companies have agreed to participate in the event, where the selected resumes will be taken interviews by these companies either for paid internship or for full-time offer as applicable. Once again, I would recommend and urge all the students to participate in this competition, make this competition successful, and yes, this is the time for skilling yourself. All the best. Looking forward for Skill Battle 2021.
I am Gyanchand Singhal, Managing Director of Pragya Technologies, who is in the field of design and engineering. This event, Skill Battle 21, is organized by Skill Edge in association with FTPO. Please participate, experience what industry wants. Attempting this would help you to take interviews with the companies which you want and get a job of your liking. I strongly recommend that you get registered. It's all free for young engineers and students. Wishing you all the best. Thanks.
Hello everyone. My name is Saurabh Khera. I am associated with Vidgun India as a quality manager. I want to express my views for Skill Battle 2021, which is an initiative taken by Skill Edge in association with FTPO. This is a great opportunity for students to learn and to get familiarized with what really happens in the professional world. This is also a unique platform to connect with the companies looking for talent. Also, if you get selected, you will get a 2 weeks of intensive workshop by industry experts, which will further help you to understand what really happen in these companies. That will also help you to crack the interviews. Always remember, companies are looking for right talent. So take part in the selection process, enjoy this experience, and give it your best shot. I wish you all the best.